Hey y'all, open box time. I got a new MacBook, 15 inches, hoping that my bad eyes could read everything. Most of the things it could. I've been looking into a monitor for my old MacBook for a while, and I got a new one, a new monitor today. It was $100 off on Prime Days. Check it out. I got the LG Ultrafine Display Monitor, 27UP850K, 27 inches. Let's open the box. And no, this video is not sponsored. I wish it was. LG, you can come for me. The whole top came off. And here's the monitor. Comes in plastic. And it's not very heavy, so I'm able to handle it by myself. It looks like everything came in the box for it. There's a stand. And it looks like the screws are in the in the monitor. And here is the bottom part of the stand. That goes on the bottom of here. And then here is a brace for the stand. As you can see here, at the bottom, the brace and the stand. I'm surprised, other than they did give me a power cord that has a power pack to it, but they gave me 2 HDMI cords and the one flat C to connect to the computer. I was not expecting all the cords. I just thought I would have to go down to Walmart or Best Buy and get them. Yeah, it all came in the box together. So I'm gonna put this doohickey together, and it shouldn't take me long. I wish I could show that again. I thought I was gonna need the screws, but the screws are for the monitor, not for the stand. There's a groove. There are some little legs that you stick in the groove, and then it just popped in. Let me see if I can pop it out and show it to you. Yep, it was really thoughtful. These little things go into the groove, and then it just pops in. Here's a little groove. So I do it while you're watching. I just stuck them in there. Trying to hold my phone and do this at the same time. And it just popped in. This button pops it right back out. That was it. Okay, the bottom of the stand, no tools are needed for that either. They have a screw in here with a little twisty turn. You just screw it in. That seems so easy. Oh my goodness. No tools. What in the AI is this? And you just flatten it down. And stand it up on this little thing. I have it sitting on the sofa. So let me put it where it belongs. Okay, so it's all set up. What you're looking at is the MacBook Air. And I have Chrome pulled up. What I didn't understand was that when you turn Chrome on, when you turn the computer on, whatever's on the desktop does not show on the monitor, which is here. What it is two screens now. So I can pull whatever's over here. Isn't that beautiful? But all I had to do was plug in one cord, which is the USB-C cord, or USB-C cord. I don't know which way to call it. I think they call it USB cord, into the back of the monitor. And that's all I had to plug in, nothing else. No software to upload or anything. My MacBook Air recognized it right away. And this has its own little button on the bottom that you can turn it on and off and do the settings. Right up under the LG. And so you can get sound out of here or sound out of here, out of the MacBook Air, but you can't get sound out of both of them at the same time. I want to make the sound come out of my sound bar, which I have. So I'm going to work on that next. But I wanted to let you know that it was very easy to hook up. Once I got the legs on it, put it on the stand, push my desk back. The desk is pushed back to it. Not touching it, but the monitor is sitting on a piece of shelving because I like to have as much desk space as it is. Your items take up your desk space. So there you have it. Easy peasy. Until next video, toodles.